Hi, my name is Zanele. I'm in love with the Zulu culture, and this is Appreciate Zulu. There is nothing quite like the sight of our young girls, the Amantombazane, stepping into the rhythm of their ancestors. What you're seeing here is more than just a dance. It's a masterclass in African history and discipline. Notice how they sway their bodies with such fluid grace before transitioning into those sharp, powerful leg kicks and stomps. This style is often referred to as Ingoma, one of the purest remnants of Zulu tradition. You might notice the small seed pod rattles around their ankles. Those aren't just for decoration, they act as a percussion instrument, emphasizing every high kick and ensuring the ancestors hear the rhythm of the youth. A fascinating fact you might not know is that for these young Zulu girls, the dance is a form of physical and mental training. Lifting the leg high and bringing it down with precision requires immense core strength and balance, mirroring the physical readiness once required of Zulu warriors. As they move, the izinku, or twisted beads they wear around their waists and necks, dance along with them, whispering the secret love language of our people. In Zulu culture, the colors in their beadwork are intentional. White symbolizes the purity of their hearts, while the vibrant yellows and greens celebrate the fertility and wealth of the land they will one day inherit. Every stomp they deliver is a promise that our culture will never fade, but will instead grow stronger with every generation. If you are inspired by the strength and beauty of these young Zulu dancers in 2026, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos on the Zulu culture.